Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about pattern recognition techniques. What are pattern recognition techniques? Pattern recognition techniques involve analyzing data, logs, or system behavior to identify recurring or anomalous patterns that indicate malicious activities such as C2 communications or attack behaviors. Purpose: detect sophisticated threats like malware, APTs, or botnets. Identify attack patterns. Support proactive threat hunting and incident response. Key areas: C2 patterns, attack patterns, sequence of actions used in cyber attacks. Example: detecting periodic HTTP request to a suspicious domain, indicating a C2 beacon. Why it matters: threat detection, proactive defense, compliance, real-world examples. Beaconing: we have domain generation algorithms, protocol abuse, jittered timing, encrypted traffic. Attack patterns: reconnaissance, credential dumping, lateral movement, data exfiltration, and persistence. Pattern recognition techniques: statistical analysis with baseline comparison and frequency analysis. Behavior analysis with anomaly detection and process monitoring. Signature-based detection with no patterns and threat intelligence. Machine learning and AI. Pattern recognition using machine learning models to detect complex patterns like domain generation algorithms and encrypted C2 traffic. Elastic SIEM that uses machine learning to identify unusual DNS queries. Clustering. Correlation analysis. Cross-source correlation. Time-based correlation. Tools for pattern recognition: network monitoring, Wireshark, Zeek, SolarWinds, SIEM solutions, EDR tools, threat intelligence, and behavioral analysis. We have Darktrace and Sysmon. Responding to detected patterns: we have once a C2 or attack pattern is detected, follow these steps: containment, investigation, eradication, recovery, and documentation. So we use those, we have challenges, right? False positives, encrypted traffic, and sophisticated attacks and data volume. Real world example problem: Zeek detects periodic HTTPS requests to malicious IP, right? Malicious domain name. Splunk correlates to traffic with a suspicious process on a workstation. VirusTotal confirms the domain is a known C2 server. CrowdStrike identifies malware. Initiating the traffic response: block the C2 domain and isolate the workstation. Removing the malware using Cynthia 1, update SIEM rules to detect similar patterns. Results: prevented data exfiltration and improved detection. Best practices: establish baselines, use multiple tools, combine Wireshark, Splunk, and CrowdStrike for comprehensive, integrate threat intelligence, leverage automation, monitor continuously, and educate teams. So that is going to be it for pattern recognition techniques. Thank you everybody for watching. That's going to be it for this video. Please comment any questions that you have down below. Thank you everybody for watching. I really do like reading your comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.